فهل من مدكر. So, is there one to heed to the advice? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. From Dr. Shanaz Naeem. Assalamu alaikum to all my viewers and listeners. In our last lesson, we learned some Arabic words which are started with Alif Lam and their meanings. In Quran, about 85% words are frequently repeated. And if we know the meaning of these words, we can easily understand Quran. In our last lesson, we learned following important points to be remembered. Number 1. All words started with Alif Lam, and on their last alphabet, if there is no Zer Zabar Pesh, then we will pronounce the last alphabet with Pesh. In case of a person's name, it will not be started with Alif Lam, such as Allahu, Muhammad, Yusuf, Isa, Musa. Let us start to memorize more words started with Alif Lam and their meanings. Az-Zakatu, Islamic religious text. Al-Jaza'u, reward. Al-Muqaddasu, sacred. Al-Islamu, Islam. Al-Jannah, paradise. Al-Mu'minu, believer. As-Sulah, peace. Al-Libasu, clothing. Musa, Moses. Thank you very much. Please give me permission till our next lesson. Inshallah, in our next lecture, we will start Unit 2. Khuda Hafiz.